Join me as I go for a stroll down one of my neighborhood streets. This is only 2 blocks from my home. Apparently, these streets are going to be resurfaced, but prior to the resurfacing, they fill in the cracks.